2 2/3 divided by 1 1/6. Before we can actually divide these fractions, we need to convert them from mixed numbers to improper fractions, and we can do this using the Texas method. So we'll start with 2 2/3. We'll start at 3 and go around. So we have 3 times 2, which is 6, and then we'll do 6 plus 2, which will get us to 8. So then this fraction now becomes 8/3 because we keep our denominator. Then we'll do 1 1/6, again using the Texas method. We'll start at 6 and we'll go around. So we have 6 times 1, which gives us 6, and then we do 6 plus 1, which gives us 7. So this fraction now becomes 7/6. Now we have 8/3 divided by 7/6. To divide these fractions, we need to use keep, change, flip. So we'll keep 8/3. We'll change division to multiplication, and we'll flip 7/6 to its reciprocal of 6/7. Now all we need to do is multiply across. We know that 8 times 6 gives us 48, and 3 times 7 gives us 21. Now what we need to do is divide 48 over 21 to be able to get to a mixed number. So let me move my screen to give us more room. So if we divide these, 21 goes on the outside, 48 will go on the inside. 21 can go into 48 twice. (48) minus 42 gives us 6, and we stop there. So now we have 2 as our whole number, 6 is our numerator, and 21 is our denominator. But if you look at 6 over 21, both of those can be reduced. And we can reduce both of those by 3. So now we would get 2 2/7, which should be our final answer.